So first thing, you have to follow the step. Sn is you take every term T1, T2, and T3 plus until the n term. The n term is the last term. Okay, that's how you start first. And then, because the first term is A, you have to write the formula A plus 1D, A plus 2D for the third term, and just three term enough. And the last term is A plus n minus 1D. And then after that, you take this one equation number 1, this is 1, this is 2, you plus 1 plus 2. So that means you plus the Sn, right? You take this one and plus with the Sn. So you plus this. Okay, let's plus. Actually, we need to write the formula first for that. Then these two, when you plus the Sn and Sn, you get to Sn, right? Okay, so when you plus the uh Sn plus Sn, you got 2Sn. And then this Sn is actually you reverse, you write from the back to front. From here, this term you write as number 1 term. See or not? So you just reverse, terbalikan. Then you have to keep on minus 1, and then the last term will be A. Okay? So the most important thing is you must know, if you start with A plus, if you start with the A plus n minus 1D as the first term, the next term you have to minus 2, right? And the next term after this, you have to write n minus 3. This one you must know. Okay? You have to memorize it. If not, you cannot do. And then this one is the last term is A. So that means this one, it will be the first term here. Okay, and then the first term just now, this first term A, it will be the last term. That means we just reverse the just now the Sn. So we plus it, you got 2Sn. So if you plus these two, this one plus this one, you get this, right? If you take this one, you plus with this, you get the same thing. Keep on recur. This one plus this one, it will give you this thing. Dot, everything, every term in between will be the same. So we don't have to show everything in between them. We just show the first three term and the last term. So this one plus this one, you can plus and see you get 2A plus n minus 1D. So actually you don't have to go and do it. You don't have to go and do it. You just keep on writing this one for 3 times and the last time 4 times only, right? So after that, you say, if I add Sn plus Sn, I got 2Sn, right? And the 2A plus n minus 1D, it seems like repeat according to n, right? So it's n times, number of times follow the n, right? So you just n times. So hence you almost got the answer already for the proving. Just that your Sn, you have a 2 here, so you divide by 2. Alright, divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here. So here you are getting the formula. You're showing the right formula. Right, that is how you prove or how you show. So you have to memorize the way. The way is you write the terms, okay, using formula A plus D, A plus 2D, and then dot, A plus n minus 1D. This one okay, but when you reverse, the A plus n minus 1D will be the first term. And then these two terms you have to minus 1 from previous one, okay? If n minus 1, then n minus 2, and n minus 3. Memorize it. And the last term sure will be A, okay? Then after that, you just show you plus it, and then you divide by 2. Can you memorize the method? Write the Sn. Start from the A plus n minus D, and then until the last term A plus n minus 1D, right? And then reverse it, and then you plus it, and then you divide by 2. Got it? That's how you come up with the formula.